How to stop body odor naturally with baking soda. Baking soda for body odor. Baking soda or bicarbonate of soda is a white crystalline compound with many health benefits. Here is how it can help. It absorbs moisture from the skin and keeps it dry. It acts as a natural deodorant agent to prevent body odor. It kills bacteria and neutralizes, alkalizes the body to prevent excess sweating and odor. Baking soda will lower the pH level of the sweating parts to counteract the acids in sweat. 1. Baking soda. Process 1. Dust baking soda on the places where you sweat the most. Let it sit for few minutes to absorb the sweat. Discard the excess baking soda and wear clothes as normal. Process 2. Place baking soda in a clean bowl and add water to make a fine paste. Wet your underarms or affected areas and apply the paste evenly. Rub gently for a minute or two and then allow it to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Shower to remove and repeat regularly. 2. Baking soda with lemon juice. Baking soda dries out the area where it is applied and lemon kills the bacteria with its citric acid and works as natural deodorant. However, do not go in the sun when the lemon juice is on. Apply before bed is best. Process: mix 1 tablespoon each of baking soda and freshly squeezed lemon juice into a mixing bowl. Apply this on your underarms and other body parts where you perspire excessively with either a cotton pad or fingertips. Allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure that not to scrub or rub the skin. When dried, have a shower or bath. Follow daily for few weeks. 3. Baking soda with cornstarch. Both baking soda and cornstarch are excellent absorbent agents, so this combination works really well. Ingredients: baking soda, 1/2 cup. Cornstarch, 1/2 cup. Tea tree oil, 10 drops. Plastic containers. Powder shaker container. Process: add tea tree oil to equal quantities of baking soda and cornstarch powder. Pour this well-mixed powder into a shaker container and close it properly. Then apply this mixture every day after taking shower. Let it sit for few minutes and then remove excess mixture. Wear clothes as normal. Regular follow-up of this process will definitely help. Or you can replace tea tree oil with coconut oil and mix it to make fine paste. Apply and be sure to wash it off afterwards. 4. Baking soda with alum powder and rubbing alcohol. This process is useful for the people those who don't want to use scented deodorants to prevent their body odor, as alum is unscented. Ingredients: baking soda, 2 teaspoons. Alum powder, 4 teaspoons. Rubbing alcohol -225 milliliters. Empty and clean, dry spray bottle. Process: mix all 3 ingredients in a clean, dry spray bottle. Stir it properly until all are mixed well. Store and use as needed. Replace your regular deodorant with this homemade unscented deodorant. 5. Homemade natural deodorant. Commercial deodorants are generally loaded with chemicals that cause harm to the skin. The solution is made from baking soda and essential oil to get rid of body odor naturally without causing any harm to the skin. Ingredients: baking soda, 1 teaspoon. Essential oil, 3 to 4 drops. Water. Process: add sufficient amount of water to baking soda and stir it well to make a thick paste. Then add an essential oil of your choice like lavender, lemon or vanilla oil and mix. Apply this to the most odor-prone areas like armpits, feet, groin, etc. Allow it to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse with water. Or you can also leave it like that without washing it to completely dry. Regularize the application for best results. 6. Baking soda and coconut oil. Coconut oil has lauric acid that helps to eliminate the bacteria causing sweat with odor. It has light fragrance that keeps the body refreshed. Baking soda eliminates the body odor by clearing the bacteria and absorbing the excessive sweating, making this combination very effective. Ingredients: baking soda, 3 to 4 teaspoons. Coconut oil, 3 teaspoons. Shea butter, 2 teaspoons. Essential oil. Arrowroot powder, optional, 2 teaspoons. Double boiler or saucepan. Process: add shea butter and coconut oil to a double boiler and place over medium heat until they melt. Remove from heat and add baking soda and arrowroot powder. Mix it well and then add an essential oil of your choice. Let it cool for few minutes to store this mixture in an airtight container. Fill an empty deodorant stick with this mixture and store in the fridge. Use this stick regularly as a deodorant. Place the jar in the hot water until both these ingredients are thoroughly melted. 7. Baking soda bath for body odor. Have this bath regularly to prevent body odor. Ingredients: baking soda, 1/4 cup. Warm water. Process: add baking soda to a bath of warm water. Stir it well and have a relaxing bath in the water. This process helps to extend the baking soda benefits to the whole body. Have this bath regularly. 8. Baking soda with salt and essential oils bath. Have this bath daily until you get relief from body completely and then continue this for once or twice a week. Ingredients: baking soda, 1 tablespoon. Kelp powder, 1 tablespoon. Epsom salt, 2 tablespoons. Dead sea salt, 3 tablespoons. Lavender oil, 6 drops. Lemon balm oil, 3 drops. Lemon oil, 6 drops. Warm water. Process: run a bath of warm water. Pour baking soda, Epsom salt and Dead Sea salt into this water. Mix, and then add kelp powder and mix again. Now add lavender oil, lemon balm oil and lemon oil in it and stir well. Soak yourself in this water for about 30 minutes. Have this baking soda, salt and essential oils bath regularly. 9. Baking soda with apple cider vinegar, borax and water. Ingredients: baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon. Apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons. Borax, a pinch. Water, 1 liter. Process: pour all the ingredients into water and stir well. Sip this slowly throughout the day. Continue the intake of this baking soda mixture for about 3 to 5 days and then give a break of 2 to 3 days. Baking soda for foot odor. Body odor is common in the feet due to continuous usage of shoes or other unhygienic conditions. Ingredients: baking soda, 4 tablespoons. Warm water, 4 cups. Towel or clean washcloth. Process: add baking soda to warm water in a bowl. Stir well and soak your feet in the water for a few minutes. Take your feet out and dry properly. Or you can apply dry baking soda powder to the feet after taking shower. How to remove body odor on cloths. Baking soda can also be used to remove odor from clothes. If you have washed clothes and they still have odor, then it's time to use baking soda. Always remember that you have to wash these cloths separately so that the smell will not be transferred to other cloths. Ingredients: baking soda. Warm water. Process: place baking soda in a bowl and add warm water to make a paste. Apply to the problem areas and rub it gently. Allow to sit for at least 20 minutes to overnight. After that, launder the clothes as regularly. Removing body odor from furniture using baking soda. Sweat smells and body odor will easily get attached to furniture, and is hard to remove. Here is the process that allows you to clear the odor using baking soda. Ingredients: baking soda. Vacuum. Clean washcloth. Process: sprinkle baking soda over the furniture. Rub it gently and leave overnight. The next morning, vacuum the furniture thoroughly to remove baking soda. After that, clean the furniture with a clean and dry washcloth. Repeat this process regularly. Tips and precaution to be followed while using baking soda for body odor. As everyone's skin type is different, it may cause some side effects or problems. Follow these simple but effective tips to prevent body odor completely and safely. Use a fresh box of baking soda for treating body odor to get maximum benefits. Avoid using the one which has been stored for a long period of time. Take a shower or bath to eliminate the sweat and bacteria that causes body odor. Dry the body well before wearing the cloths, especially the underarms, feet and groin areas to prevent body odor. Avoid alcohol, strong spices, coffee and other foods which causes body odor. Continuous usage of this baking soda may lead to B vitamins depletion. So it's always best to consult doctor about whether you have to make some changes in your diet, or have supplements. If there is any redness or irritation, it is to discontinue the usage of baking soda. Remember that excessive sweating and body odor may also be caused by several diseases like liver problems, bad breath, cervical cancer, ketoacidosis, hyperthyroidism, etc. So it's always better to consult your doctor. Avoid applying this on recently shaved or waxed skin.